Jack in jail went up the hill. तुमने चुराया मेरा दिल.